Hello guys, my name is Sukanya Das and today I will show you how to color this mony bird. Let's start it. For coloring this mony bird, as regularly I use this matte color peps. We should color this bird a little bit lighter, but the color depends on you. I am using lighter shades. I am using, as well as this butterfly, I am using this 3 colors. This yellow's name is lemon yellow. This pink's name is lovely pink. This orange's name is fruity orange. So, on these 3 colors, I am using lemon yellow for the wings. Now we can also paint the side of the tummy of his tummy and also his head. For his flat tummy, I'm gonna use this lovely pink. Now it's gonna blend. You can even use white cloth, but it's better to use white cloth. But I don't want to use it now. After doing it, I use this fruity orange to do its beaks and legs. You don't need to blend here. So my bird is finally ready, and this bird's name is mony bird. If you like my bird, then please like it. Please don't forget to like it, subscribe it, comment and share. For more videos, please don't forget to. Okay, ta-ta, bye-bye.